In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Outlook calendar to GoHighLevel. This process can help streamline your scheduling processes by ensuring that your calendar events are synchronized seamlessly. Let's dive right into the steps to get you set up. First things first, log into your GoHighLevel dashboard and select the appropriate sub-account you'll be working with. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar and click on Settings. From there, navigate to the Calendars section. This will bring you to the calendar connection page where we begin the linking process. To connect your Outlook account, click on the Calendar Connections tab found at the top of the page. You'll notice an option for Microsoft Outlook. Underneath it, select Connect. This action will prompt a Microsoft sign-in window to pop up. Go ahead and enter your Outlook or Microsoft 365 email address. Next, you'll be asked to provide GoHighLevel permission to access your calendar. This includes reading and writing your calendar events, syncing your availability, and managing meeting updates. It's important to accept these permissions for everything to function correctly once connected. After agreeing, you'll receive confirmation with a message like, "Outlook calendar connected successfully." Now that your accounts are connected, it's time to either create a new calendar in GoHighLevel or modify an existing one. Head back to the settings and under Calendars, click on Plus New Calendar, or choose to edit one you already set up. Enter a name and description for your calendar. Something like Discovery Calls works well. Don't forget to select yourself or anyone else whose Outlook calendar was connected under team members. With the new calendar created, move over to the Availability tab to set your working days and time slots. You have the flexibility to customize this to your needs, whether it's Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, or any other configuration. GoHighLevel will then automatically check your Outlook calendar for existing meetings and ensure no scheduling conflicts arise. For an even smoother experience, enable the two-way sync found under Calendar Settings. This setting is recommended as it allows events scheduled on GoHighLevel to appear in Outlook and vice versa. You can also toggle settings for new bookings and handle updates or cancellations automatically. After setting up your calendar, integrate it with your funnels or booking pages. Go to Sites, then Funnels, and add a calendar element to your page. From a drop-down list, select the Outlook synced calendar you just created. This ensures any appointment made through this funnel page appears in both GoHighLevel and Outlook immediately. Before you wrap up, it's good practice to test your setup, open your funnel or booking page, and book a test appointment. Check to see that the appointment appears in both your GoHighLevel calendar and your Outlook calendar. If everything syncs correctly, you're all set. If you run into any issues, there are a few troubleshooting tips to try. Refresh your Outlook connection under Settings Integrations. Verify you're using the correct Microsoft account. Ensure admin permissions if using a company Outlook account. And if needed, disconnect and reconnect the integration. And there you have it. Your Outlook calendar is now seamlessly integrated with GoHighLevel. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.